Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, class 4? Welcome back in your social studies class. Students, today we will do last part of lesson number 9, industries. Students, I already told you about iron and steel industries, and I told you that Pakistan does not have adequate amount of iron, and much of the iron is imported from other countries, and the largest iron and steel industry is in Karachi. Students, today we will do engineering industries, fertilizers, chemicals and cement industries, and textiles and cottage industries. So students, first of all, engineering industries, boilers, factory equipment, cranes, road rulers and other heavy goods are made in large industrial plants in Karachi, Hyderabad, Texla, Lahore and a number of other places. Students, boilers means closed vessels in which water is boiled. A closed vessel in which water or any other liquid is boiled or heated. And factory equipments, and it means factory tools, the tools that are used in factories, cranes, and you are very well familiar with cranes, road rulers that are used in the construction of roads, and other heavy goods are made in large industrial plants. And these large industrial plants are in Karachi, Hyderabad, Texla, Lahore and a number of other places. So Karachi, Hyderabad, Texla, Lahore, these are all city names of Pakistan where all these large industrial plants are present. And in these industrial plants, boilers, factory tools, cranes, road rulers and other heavy goods are made. Students, in small plants, small instruments and tools are produced mainly in Karachi city. Cars, trucks and motorcycles are also assembled in Pakistan. Are not made in Pakistan, cars, trucks and motorcycles mostly, but these are assembled in Pakistan. There are small factories in the Punjab which make surgical instruments, and you know that surgical instruments are those instruments that are used in surgery in hospitals. So cutlery, knives, forks and spoons, these things are also made in small factories. And utensils means the things that are used in houses different tools that are used in house. Fertilizers, chemicals and cement industries. Fertilizers are used in agriculture, and you know that fertilizer is used to enrich the soil when there is depletion of nutrients in soil. Then fertilizers are added in the soil to increase the growth of crops. So basically you can say fertilizers are the food of soil. And fertilizers are of two types, natural fertilizer, for example cow dung, and synthetic fertilizers that are made in factories, for example urea, phosphorus. And these are produced in Faisalabad, Daud Khel and Jaranwala. Faisalabad, Daud Khel and Jaranwala. So these are the city names of Pakistan. Chemicals are needed to make soap, textiles, paper and other goods. We have a number of chemical factories, and cement is also produced in several factories in the country. So students, fertilizers, chemicals and cement industries are present in different cities of Pakistan. For example, Faisalabad, Daud Khel, Jaranwala, and Kotudu, and also in Karachi and Sadiqabad, Rahim Yar Khan, Multan and Sangla Hill. So different types of factories are present in these cities. Students, now textiles mean clothes. The biggest industries that is that of cotton products. So mostly clothes are of cotton, made of cotton, and mostly cotton industries in Faisalabad. Yarn mean thread. You know that cotton is used to make threads, and these threads are used in different types of cloth making. Textiles, canvas is also a thick type of cloth. Toweling means towels and clothing. There are over 70 factories that produce woolen goods. We also have a large art silk industry. Pakistan also have 12 jute mills which produced sacks and bags needed for packing. And students, have you seen bags or sacks of rice 5 kg or 10 kg in your houses? Rice bags, and mostly these rice sacks are made of jute. And I have a picture for you. This is a bag made of jute material. So I think this is mostly used in making different types of sacks. Okay, now students, last, cottage industries. Actually, cottage industries are the small industries. Cottage industries are small industries. So Pakistan produces sugar, vegetable ghee, cooking oil and soaps, and the cottage industries are those industries that are very small industries. And examples of cottage industries: sports industries. For example, in Pakistan, in cottage industries, mostly football, and hockey is made, and you know that the best football is made in Pakistan, and the football that is made in Pakistan is used in FIFA World Cup. Students, furniture and handicraft. Handicraft means the things that are made by hand. For example, different types of embroidery, uh, wood craft, paper craft, okay, and pottery means the things that are made up of clay. All these are handicrafts. Utensils, the household things, embroidery, pottery, footwear, carpets, and other cloths. And cloths are made in cottage industries. So embroidery, you can see in this picture, a woman is making something on this piece of cloth with a needle with this white thread. So this is embroidery. This is embroidery on this piece of cloth. Then pottery, the things that are made of clay, and you can see in this picture all this was made of clay, and you can see this is pottery, okay. So students, this is all about of today lesson. In next class, inshallah, we will start our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.